the opportunity to tell a new way about what keeps us healthy is exciting. And so for us, partnering with Free Range Video was so exciting. They're so creative and they're good storytellers. We're academics, we have the theory side, but we really needed a new way to tell the story side, and this video does a great job doing it. You mentioned it's a draft, but they did such a wonderful job. It's basically a finished product.
Yeah.
We'd love to be able to do more with it. We'd love to be able to get the promotion of it out there. We'd love to add to it to kind of create new connections for people.
Yeah.
So the idea really came out of our desire to create a new way to communicate about health and about how public health is a vital part of our healthcare setting. So much of our nation's conversation about health is really geared towards healthcare, which is great, but not sufficient. We need to change the conversation to recognize our environments.
The video talks about cigarettes and policy around getting cigarette advertisements off of television, something that happened in the 70s.
Yeah.
What kinds of things are we hoping will happen right now for people's health?
Yeah, when you watch the video, and I hope everybody who's watching this watches the video, you'll recognize we picked a couple of examples that people can understand and resonate to. So one was tobacco, and it's pretty evident that policies around tobacco have dramatically reduced the consumption of tobacco, which then has made us healthier. So no longer do we have people dying to the same degree from tobacco as we used to.
Right.
No longer do we have young people starting to smoke. And that all came because we did things before people came to the hospital.
Yeah.
So the examples in the video are really meant to kind of resonate with people so they begin to recognize that there's something we can do. In today's society, there's lots of avenues for similar types of approaches. There's no doubt that we're heavier than we've ever been as a culture. And so what can we do to kind of shape the environment so that we're not fighting with our weight the way we might?
Yeah.
Our food manufacturing has changed significantly over the course of the last 30 years. There could be opportunities for thinking about how do we make it easier to eat the healthy option. So when you watch the video too, you'll also see an example to driving. It's something that we don't think about, but there's a lot of changes that occurred to make driving easy. And just like health, if we relied only on people doing the right behavior with driving and not paying attention to the roads or the traffic signs or the rules that we follow, in the same way in the healthcare sector, if we rely only on what we do but not the environment that surrounds us, we're not going to get too far. So the video itself will allow for people to begin seeing health in a new